I have finally got this DJI Mini Mic. I got it in receiver 1. Let's unbox it with me. I put that in my pocket. That's really compact. This is the mic. Look how tiny is this. It's like I can just clip it. We'll go back to this. So we've got these heads, 2 head tops in gray and a black color. Then we have cables. Type-C, and this is for the cameras. Then we have a Type-C connector for the receiver so that you can connect this to your phone. I guess this is the charger, so you can use Type-C over here. The tiny receiver which we can connect. So now I'm gonna connect this to my iPhone, and then I'm gonna show you how different my sound will sound. One before the mic and one after the mic. Let's connect. Okay, the receiver and the mic is connected. I'm not sure if it is getting recorded via phone or mic. I'm gonna do a little tap test and see if it is getting recorded. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, the tap was there in the video, so I'm excited. Now I'm gonna go a little far and see how far I can go, and it still records my voice perfectly without all these noises. And trust me, there are a lot of noises here, a lot of wind and the ocean and everything. So I'm gonna also show you, if I switch off this mic, how my voice is gonna look like. Okay, I am pretty far and I've never recorded the video this far, and I'm not sure if I will be able to, but if you are listening to me, the mic works. And if you want to go a little back, let's go a little back. Okay, that is far enough. Good one. Let's check out the video. Alright, let's talk about how tiny this mic looks. It looks really cute and tiny, unlike the other mics which have a big build and then you have to keep it here on your cameras and everything, but this looks really cute. And it has an automated feature where it cancels out all the noises in the background, and it costed me in Australia around $125, and I have purchased only with one mic. Usually it comes with 2 mics. It costed me 125 AUD for one mic, and if you are buying for 2 mics, I think it is $225. But it looks really amazing, and I hope my videos will get better with this use, because there are a lot of people who are recommending me to purchase a mic, because most of the time when I record, there are a lot of noises and I can't record it very well. So let's put it to the testing in my coming videos, and then I will come back to you and give you my more review of what my experience is with this mic. Till then, ta-da!